Hello, beautiful kids. How are you all doing? I hope you're doing fine and enjoying all my videos and watching them regularly. So, welcome back to Learn Forward from Hi Kids with the Gap. So, I'll ask you one question and let me guess who will answer it. What we did in the last class? Which number we did in the last class? Does anyone remember? And then we'll do a quick counting, okay? Yes, you right. We did number 4. Which number we did? Number 4. Let's count till number 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3 and 4. We did number 4. And today I will tell you about number 5. Okay. When you open all your fingers from one hand, they are 5. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. These are 5 fingers. Okay. Now let's start our today's class. Okay, let us learn number 5. Now, this is number 5. And now, there are 5 balloons. Let's count the number of balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. There are 5 balloons. Okay. Now, let's make number 5. First, a small sleeping line. Then down and then make a big fat belly like this. 5 has a big fat belly like this. Okay. Go back and take a dive, then make a big fat belly, and now that's number 5. Okay. It is very easy. You will learn it. And what is this? It's a starfish. It's a starfish. And there are 5 arms of a starfish. See, there are 5 arms of a starfish. Like we all have just 2 arms, but starfish have 5 arms. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Starfish have 5 arms. And there's a little activity for you that you will do it later on, and that is you all have to paste 5 stars here. How many stars? 5 stars. Okay. All right. Now next is take the pictures which are 5. Now let's count this airplanes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 airplanes. So should we tick on this? Yes. Okay. Now how many ice creams are there? Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, we have 5 ice creams here. So we are going to put a tick mark here like this. Well done. Now next is hats. These are hats. So let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are only 4 hats, so we will not put a tick mark. Okay. Now I will tell you how to make number 5 with dotted lines. But quickly grab your pencils and your books to do it with me. Are you all ready? Let's start. First, we'll make a sleeping line towards the side. Okay. Then make a small standing line like this. And then make a big fat belly like this. And that's number 5. Now one more time we'll do it. Sleeping line, standing line, a big fat belly. Good. One more time. Sleeping line, standing line, a big fat belly. One last time. Sleeping line, standing line, a big fat belly. Good, you all. Now, I will tell you how to make 5 without dotted lines. Sleeping line, standing line, a big fat belly. Okay, one more. Sleeping line, standing line, a big fat belly. Okay, see? That's easy, right? That's how you will make number 5. And आपको ये तभी आएगा जब आप इसकी practice करेंगे. You know, practice makes a man perfect. Okay? अगर आप practice करेंगे, then you'll make 5 so perfectly. And you all have to complete this sheet as your homework. Okay? At your home, you all will practice how to make number 5 here. Alright? And then I will see you in the next class. Till then, happy learning. Bye bye. Take care.